Healthy breakfast ideas for weight loss. Imagine waking up to the smell of cinnamon-spiced oats simmering on the stove, a bowl of vibrant berries glistening on the counter, and the satisfying crunch of toasted almonds. This isn't just breakfast, it's the first step in a day designed to help you feel lighter, energized, and in control of your weight loss goals. The truth is, mornings don't have to start with bland salads or tasteless shakes. With the right ingredients and strategies, your breakfast can be a delicious ally in shedding pounds. Let's explore how. The journey begins with understanding why breakfast matters. For years, debates have raged about whether skipping breakfast helps or harms weight loss. The answer lies in biology. After a night's fast, your body craves fuel to jumpstart your metabolism. Skipping breakfast might save calories in the short term, but it often leads to ravenous hunger by mid-morning, driving you to reach for sugary snacks or oversized portions at lunch. On the flip side, a balanced breakfast rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats sets a steady metabolic rhythm. Picture this. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that participants who ate a high-protein breakfast consumed 135 fewer calories at lunch compared to those who skipped the meal. That's the power of starting your day right. Let's talk about protein, your secret weapon. Protein isn't just for bodybuilders. It's a hunger-taming, muscle-preserving nutrient that keeps you full longer. Take Greek yogurt, for instance. A single cup packs 20 grams of protein, probiotics for gut health, and a creamy base for endless toppings. Try layering it with a handful of crunchy granola. Look for low-sugar options, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and a rainbow of seasonal fruit. The chia seeds swell in your stomach, creating a feeling of fullness, while the fruit adds natural sweetness and antioxidants. If you're rushed, prep this the night before in a mason jar for a grab-and-go meal that feels indulgent but clocks in under 300 calories. But what if you're not a yogurt person? Enter the humble egg. Eggs are a weight loss powerhouse, offering 6 grams of protein each and a versatility that's hard to beat. Whip up a veggie-packed omelet with spinach, tomatoes, and mushrooms. Spinach adds iron and fiber, tomatoes bring a burst of acidity, and mushrooms contribute a meaty texture without the calories. Cook them in a non-stick pan with a spritz of olive oil to keep things light. Pair this with a slice of whole grain toast, and you've got a meal that's satisfying, nutrient-dense, and under 350 calories. For those mornings when even cracking an egg feels like too much effort, overnight oats are your friend. The beauty of overnight oats lies in their simplicity. Combine rolled oats with almond milk, a spoonful of almond butter, and a dash of cinnamon in a jar. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and by morning, the oats soften into a pudding-like texture. Top it with fresh raspberries. Their tartness balances the nutty sweetness, and you've got a breakfast that's ready to eat without any cooking. This dish is a fiber superstar, thanks to the oats and chia seeds, which work together to stabilize blood sugar and keep cravings at bay. Smoothies often get a bad rap for being sugar bombs, but they don't have to be. The key is balance. Start with a base of unsweetened almond milk or water. Add a handful of spinach, you won't taste it. Promise, half a frozen banana for creaminess, and a scoop of protein powder. Blend until smooth, and you've got a bright green drink that's part breakfast, part superhero elixir. The protein powder keeps you full, the spinach delivers a hit of vitamins, and the banana adds natural sweetness without spiking your blood sugar. Pour it into a to-go cup, and you're out the door in minutes. Now, let's tackle a common breakfast trap: the siren call of pastries and sugary cereals. That morning muffin or bowl of frosted flakes might feel comforting, but it's a fast track to a mid-morning energy crash. Instead, try a savory twist. Smash half an avocado onto whole grain toast, top it with a poached egg, and finish with a pinch of red pepper flakes. The avocado's healthy fats keep you satisfied. The egg adds protein, and the whole grains provide slow-burning carbs. It's a meal that feels decadent but aligns perfectly with your goals. Meal prep is the unsung hero of weight loss. Spend 30 minutes on Sunday prepping breakfast burritos. Scramble eggs with black beans. diced peppers, and a sprinkle of cheese. Wrap them in whole wheat tortillas and freeze them. On busy mornings, pop one in the microwave, and you've got a handheld breakfast packed with protein and fiber. Another tip, batch cook a big pot of quinoa. Reheat a portion in the morning with almond milk, cinnamon, and sliced apples for a warm, grain-based breakfast that's both hearty and healthy. But let's get real life habits. Some days, you'll oversleep, forget to prep, or simply crave something different. On those days, keep it simple. A rice cake spread with almond butter and banana slices takes 2 minutes to make and delivers a satisfying mix of crunch, creaminess, and natural sweetness. Or grab a hard-boiled egg, cook a dozen on Sunday, and pair it with a piece of fruit. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Hydration plays a silent but critical role in weight loss. Start your day with a glass of water, add a squeeze of lemon for a refreshing twist. Sometimes thirst masquerades as hunger, and hydrating first thing can help you tune into your body's true needs. Follow it with a cup of green tea or black coffee. Skip the sugar-laden creamers to give your metabolism a gentle nudge. Finally, remember that sustainability is key. Extreme diets might promise rapid results, but they rarely last. The best breakfasts for weight loss are ones you genuinely enjoy and can stick with long term. Experiment with flavors. Try turmeric in your scrambled eggs for an anti-inflammatory boost, or add cacao nibs to your oatmeal for a chocolatey crunch. Celebrate small wins, like choosing a veggie omelet over a donut, and build from there.